I am drained, but the fight in me remains. I am weary, I am worn, like I've never been before.
So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take off the pressure ring around this thing. So you're gonna pressure it down like that, like that. You're gonna open it, and then you take it off. As you can see, with this pry out thing, you put it in there, open it, and take it off. Okay, the next step we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the pulley out. This one is stuck. I couldn't even take it because it's so damn stuck. That thing is, I don't know, it's like stuck like glue. But I found out really nice way to do it is I'm gonna hit it from the back with this thing. I'm gonna do it so you guys can see it how I did. Maybe you guys can do it. So I place this ratchet on the back of the pulley, and I'm gonna start and hit it with the hammer. So you need to do rotator the pulley. You need a rotator because it gets stuck. That's why it gets stuck. But I almost got it. So I'm gonna hit it one more time on the back with this thing, with the jacket handle. There we go. It's off. It's off. But now I have another problem. You get stuck here. It's the next day. My battery died, so I couldn't finish recording, but I did take it off, and I already installed it back. As you can see, that's smooth. That's the new bearing right there. I put it back, so I have to break it and take it out on pieces because it was stuck. But if you guys remember, when I take it off, this pulley hitting this side, so I has to do is I take the screws, the ones go here, they got 4 screws, and I have to take it off to, instead of move the compressor back, so I have to take the pulley off. That's what I did. So but I already take it off, so then I put a new one back. So you guys gonna have to move the 4 ball screws on the compressor to move it back that way and take the pulley off.